Hiya and welcome to the Outwell Do-It-Yourself workshop. I'm here today to show you how to repair a damaged ground sheet by using the Outwell repair guard. If the field repair guard isn't available to you, you can also use tenacious tape or duct tape. Start by taking the black patch and cutting it roughly into the same size as the hole, a bit bigger. Make sure to apply the patch on both sides of the fabric. Let it dry out for a couple of minutes before packing down the tent again. And the tent is now ready for use. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit outwell.com.